looking out across the nighttime. City winkle sleep beside. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls and hold me tonight. If this time is just an apple, then let me take a bite. And they say, why? Tell me that it's human nature. Why do it that way?